Hi everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video on zipping your game because we haven't turned in a game yet this term. But for your midterm, you're going to upload a copy of your game to Google Drive. So what I want you to do is, so you're in Unreal right now, and so you're going to do the zip through Unreal. And the reason why is because what happens is if you zip it outside of that, it has everything together, right? And there's stuff that is dependent on what OS that you're running, and if you're using a Mac or Linux or Windows, it can make it different, right? So what it does inside the game of Unreal is when you zip it, it just zips the things that you need to rebuild the game on a different platform. So it's really easy. You're just going to come up here, go to File, hit Zip Project, and you can see I'm in my current project. And what I suggest you do is you go up a level. So this is my current project, P5 Goodrow J, and I'm going to come up and so now you can see all my projects. And so what I'm going to do is save this here because it's going to save, like this is the folder and it's going to save a zip of that folder. And so I'm going to hit save, back, and we're just going to say .zip. Hit save, and you see down here it's zipping the project for Windows Editor, and we can go and look at the output log so you can see that it's saving the project. So it's packaging it up and it's doing its stuff. And hopefully it should finish shortly. So you can see it's done. And then I just went to where the files are stored on my computer. So for me right now I have it under C Drive Unreal. And you can see, so here are my projects and here is my zip file that I created. Again, if you don't see the .zip, you might need to come up to View, Show, and File Name Extension. This will be dependent upon if you're on Windows 10, Windows 11, Mac OS. It has different ways of doing it, but there's always ways to show the extension for the file. So that's what we're going to upload. And this is, I just have open the Moodle shell for the midterm check-in. And what I want you to do is come down here, and this last line, you're going to save the project to Google Drive. And I'll try to make this more obvious. We're going to click on that, and it's going to bring you here, and we're just going to click and drag this here. You'll see it takes a minute because this is 915 megs. It's not small. And so eventually it will load. So I paused the video, went to the bathroom, came back, it still wasn't done. So it might take a little bit to upload all of this stuff to the directory, but this is what it should look like when you're done. It should have like some P5 in your name, hopefully is what you're turning in. If you're only on P4, then turn in P4. If you're only on P3, turn in P3. I still want to meet with you. That's the idea, and it's wherever you're at. I'm okay with that. The other thing I want to mention is that you do need to be logged in to Google with your school email address. So if you have a personal account, make sure that you're logged in as your school email address because it's required to be into this thing. Because it will tell me like the people who have it loaded, and so like you can see here, it has me loaded. So I want to make sure I can easily match the student with their account. So if you sign in with your personal account, I'll have a harder time with that. If you run into any issues, please shoot me an email. I'm happy to help, and I hope you have a wonderful day.